Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Sit down, please.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, my name is Bukon. I am social worker. What's your name?
Hi, Bro. My name is Majid Prananda Putra. I am study in UIN Syarif Jakarta. How about you?
I'm good. I wanted to talk about social work. Why do you think social work is important?
Social work is very important because it helps people who need support, whether it's healthy economy and psychological.
Actually, social work also plays a role in addressing various social issues such as poverty, domestic violence, and mental health problems.
And yes, I agree. Social work play a big role in supporting individual and families to achieve their well-being. They often act as the bridge between the community and available services.
True. Additionally, social work helps raise public awareness about social issues and how we can work together to understand it.
And not only that, social work are also involved in policy advocacy to ensure that laws and policy support community welfare.
Actually, they often work with various institutions, including the government, NGOs, and community organizations, to develop effective programs.
Right. Their work is very diverse, ranging from individual and family counseling, working in rehabilitation center, to organizing community involvement programs.
Yes, and social work requires high dedication and create empathy. They need to truly care about others and have good communication skills.
Actually, an author social work can be very challenging. Many social work find their job very well rewarding because they can see the positive impact of their effort.
I agree. Social work is indeed very important for the overall well-being of society. We should support them and appreciate their hard work.
I I'm in grateful. Hopefully,